How to merge two PDF files into one on Mac. This is going to show you how to combine multiple PDF files into one on your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. The first step is to select the two PDF files that you want to combine, like so. Then you want to right click on one of the PDF files when they're both selected together. Then this will pop up here. You want to scroll down to Quick Actions, go to the right there, and then just say Create PDF. Then you will see there a new PDF file has been created. You want to go ahead and rename it. You can click in there and you can see both of those two files have been combined together. You can also do it for more than two. So let's say, for instance, you do the same thing here. Scroll down to Quick Actions, click Create PDF, and then you'll have multiple, as many as you want, put them all together and do the same thing, and they'll all be able to merge together into one PDF file. You can go ahead and delete them, reorder them on the left-hand side there of the preview section. But that's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.